You live now. It goes without saying that all of human beings live now. Then the point is how you live better every day. To simply live is different from to live better. Human beings are easily affected by their mentalities. This means in your heart, how you feel and how you can be emotional affects so many things in your action. In ancient Greece, Socrates listened to the voice of daimonion. The voice of daimonion is treated as the voice of conscience. Talking of human mentality all the time, there are two. The one is good, and the other is evil. When you're facing some matters for you to decide, you are affected by good or evil. There's the one. Surely you are affected by. So, I'd like you to cleanse yourself all the time, especially cleansing yourself. Cleansing your heart is essential and critical. If your heart is spoiled, it is easy for you to listen to the voice spoken by devil. To listen to the voice of conscience. Keeping purity in your heart is indispensable. I'd like you to live well. I'd like you to listen to the voice of daimonion in order to live well. This is all I'd like to let you upon.